Hey everyone, today's topic for discussion is how to set up a successful business. Before moving toward the topic, keep in mind that your product should be qualitative. Number one, choose the right marketplace. Wisely, select your marketplace and do deep market research of whatever marketplace you are thinking of. Then compare the positive points as well as drawbacks of multiple marketplaces. Then select one. Number two, to build your website. If you have enough budget, then try to build your own website. It will also help you to get more sales. It is also a sign of trust for buyers if they search for you on Google. Number three, effective marketing strategy. You can make social accounts, run Google ads, make reels, run ads on marketplaces, etc. Strategy should be effective. Number four, managing inventory and fulfillment. Try to deliver your product as fast as you can because the customer always prefers fastest delivery. Make multiple strategies to deliver your product faster. If you want to learn how you can manage fast delivery, then let me know in the comment section. If you find it informative, then share it with others.